Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading, and here we have our backtesting system where we can be able to backtest our forex trading strategy in any financial instrument like gold, GBPJPY, USDJPY, Euro USD, and any other pairs. Join our everyday live webinar where we'll be sharing our opinion and strategies on Zoom analysis. Join our Telegram link in the description. Hello guys, welcome to KR Forex Trading. My name is KR Mokwena, the founder of KR Forex Trading. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that whenever we post, you will get to be updated each and every time. Okay, this is the analysis of GBPJPY. Okay, we're going to make an analysis of GBPJPY. Today is the 23rd of December 2023, and we are not going to trade on Monday, which is on the 25th of December 2023, which is the Christmas time, because the market has not yet having the volatile time since yesterday on Friday. It wasn't that volatile because we have approached the holidays, which is the Christmas and the New Year holidays. Okay, so now the market each and every time when we approach the holidays of December is not that volatile, but then other pairs that are still remaining volatile. Okay, they are still remaining volatile despite that it's a holiday or not, they are still. But then today we are going to analyze the GBPJPY. How are we going to take an action, which is next week from the 25th of December until the 29th, which will be on Friday. Okay, now I've logged in on the trading view. Okay, this is trading view. Now I would like to say to my student that it is not necessary for you to purchase the trading view subscription. Okay, you can use the free subscription of TradingView only because TradingView is only giving you the nice charts. You can install up your lines, your Fibonacci and whatever what you want to put in, but then it's not that necessary for you to purchase something called subscription. Okay, it is not. Okay, let us take a view on GBPJPY. GBPJPY, we are on the Awanda. Okay, and then first and foremost, I would like to say to my student, go to daily time frame. Okay, you go to daily time frame. That's the first thing. You go to daily time frame. So now the real purpose why we go to daily time frame because we need to analyze, we need to know where the market is heading. Is it the market is going uptrend or is it the market going downtrend? Okay, so we need to understand what is going on an overall analysis. Okay, first thing, we see that okay, now the market, since from here at the bottom on the 13th of January 2023, it went up, but then when it's reaching this point, it kept on the range of consolidation range. Okay, so now to see the clear consolidation, we need to install a trending resistance line and a trending resistance support. All right, this is a support. Okay, now the other thing, you insert something called a support zone. All right, so you can see that the market was on the resistance zone, and then it went up, which is it broke, and then it became what it became a resistance. Okay, it became a resistance, and then it became a resistance, it became a resistance. Even here it became a resistance. All right, and then over here the market, when it touches here, it became a support, it became a support over here, and then over here once again it became a support. All right, and then there is a 80% or even lesser than that, which is 60% of the market to continue once again next week to go up. All right, there is a possibility. All right, there is a much possibility of it. Right, and then if the market breaks the support zone, which is when the market is going to react in this way, is going to break. Sorry guys. Okay, it's going to break. Let me remove this. Okay, it's going to break. Okay, and then it's going to come up here and then go down, and then when it is going down, means that there is something called a weekly support. Okay, there's a weekly support here, over here. But then let us not try to confuse ourselves with many things. First and foremost, we have identified that okay, the market is still consolidating within the range, okay, in a daily time frame. Okay, the second thing that you need to do, you go to jump to the 4-hour time frame just to see that how the market is now reacting. Okay, so now here we go. Here we go. Okay, remember guys, when the market touches the resistance, it's more likely to go down. When it touches the support, more likely to go up, because we are trapped in the consolidation trend on daily time frame. Okay, so now the other thing that you need to see right now is there's something called a trending trend. Remember, we have installed these trend lines on a daily time frame, but then once again in a 4-hour time frame, we are still going to insert the line. Okay, we saw that okay, when the market reaches this resistance and then it broke and then we sold, and then we were in a huge significant amount of losses, and then it probably went down. Okay, it went down because now there is why we were in a loss is because there was a breakout of the market over here. Okay, there was a breakout of the market over here. Okay, it was a breakout, and then more likely when the market is breaking out, like to reverse. Okay, it like to reverse going up, which is a pullback, and then ultimately it shoot down. Right, so in most cases GBPJPY, in most cases GBPJPY, AUDJPY, EURJPY, NZDJPY, when it breaks and change the direction, this is where now the market is going to make a pullback and then correct itself, going down or going up. Okay, so more of the time. Okay, it's like that more of the time. So now let's go to the current price. Now the current price, it tells us that okay, I'm trapped in the consolidation. Okay, this is a consolidation. Even if you can go to a 1-hour time frame, you can even see that this is a trapped market. Okay, the price is still trapped in the consolidation zone. Okay, more likely when the market it was here and then it shoot up and then hit the resistance in 15 minutes time frame, and then it went down and then it went up and went down. So we are assuming that next week the market is more likely to go up. Okay, and then more especially there is not 100%, but I can say 80% more chances to break this resistance and actually go up, which is right here on the resistance. Okay, on the resistance zone. How do we see that? Because if you go to 4-hour time frame, there is our resistance zone. So either way that the market is going to break on this resistance zone, which is the trapped in this square thing, and then go up, or the market will shoot down. Okay, will shoot down. So I always say to my students that, okay, students, please trade in 4-hour time frame. If you see me on a 4-hour time frame, just know that I'm analyzing, okay, the market. But then if you see me on the 15 minutes time frame, is because of I'm waiting for the confirmation. Okay, I'm just waiting for the confirmation of the market, because I've done doing my analysis. Okay, I've done doing my analysis. I'm just waiting for a certain candlestick to react in a certain way so that I can go in. Okay, so now if the market turns out that the market is here, okay, then this is where we're going to say, okay, student, let us take a long position over here. We're going to take a long position, and then our risk reward ratio is going to be 1:3. Okay, this is 1:3, because now this is for our time frame. It is up to our student if they could say, okay, now we are taking 1:2. Okay, because most of the students, they lack patience. Okay, they lack patience. But what I know about them is that 40% of them, they like to say, nah, we're going to hold with you. We are going to go with you, Mokoena, because we know that you have analyzed this with us, we have told us what to do. So either way, if we're in the huge amount of profit, we're going to take our stop loss and trade going up with the market. That's how we are taking a very huge amount of profits, because one trade can change your life. One trade can cover all the losses that you've been through. Okay, and then one trade can reciprocate the amount of losses that you have encountered. Okay, so now GBPJPY, we are looking for the uptrend, which is the buy in most cases, but 20% of our analysis it's a sell, but 80% of our analysis it's a buy. But even though on Monday we're not going to trade, is Christmas, and then on the 26th is Boxing Day, still we are not going to trade, because the market, it will be slow, it's not volatile much. But then we are going to take a trade maybe on Wednesday or even Thursday, according to the market, how it will be reacting. Okay, so we are going to waiting, it's key. Patience is key, guys. I'm always saying to my student that patience is key. You are not going to make it in the market because of you lack patience. Okay, patience and discipline, it's key, guys. If we are here to help you and analyze the market in such a way that you are going to be profitable, and we are all going to take a trade in our Telegram channel. So ensure that you are joining in our Telegram channel. The link, it is in the description below. And if you want to be part of the community of the webinars, the seminars, the trading sessions, live trading sessions, okay, we want to be part of our course, you want to trade with us, along with us in one broker, you can join us. The website is Forex Trading .online. Please open an account there, and then ensure that your credentials, you do not forget them, because you are going to use the same credentials to log in once again from Monday to Friday for everyday webinars. We are always analyzing every day. There is no way that we don't analyze. If we don't analyze, it will be on Saturday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday we don't do that. But then in most cases, if you book us, if you book one of our mentors to be there for you, to be there on our system, on our website for you, you can just do that. There is no one who's stopping you from doing that. So nonetheless, thank you very much, guys, and we are looking forward for the market to shoot up. I'm so sorry about the ads. I told you that I don't even pay the trading view. Okay, I actually don't, because I don't see the importance of trade of paying the subscription. Why? Because if I analyze correctly, but not like 100% correctly, because all of us, we have our own mistakes, we have our own analysis that are incorrect sometimes. Okay, but then there is no point of paying the subscription of TradingView. Okay, but then if you want to do that, you can, and then it gives you the high chances and many tools that you can be exposed from TradingView. Just like TradingView can give you the split of the screens, you can back test, you can do many things, but I use gochatting.com for back testing. Okay, if it wasn't that, I could have go to TradingView and subscribe for TradingView. Okay, so there is not necessary for you to do that, but then if you want to, you can. Okay, so if you want to be part of us, please guys, do not forget krforextrading.online. Register your account there, and therefore we will be you each and every day. Okay, cheers.